Let us start the Denmark East India Company. The Denmark also established trade settlements in India and the settlements at Tranquebar, Tamil Nadu, and was founded in 1620. कब आया Denmark? When did the Denmark was formed? Denmark Trade Company was formed in India. कौन से साल में हुआ? 1620 में. का second point है another Danish settlement in India was Srirarampur in 1676 in Bengal. सबसे पहले किधर आए ये लोग? तमिलनाडु में. तमिलनाडु के बाद in 1676 they formed another settlement in Bengal, Serampore in 1676, and Serampore was their headquarters in India. So Bengal, most of the India companies which came to India made Bengal as their headquarters majorly. The last point क्या है इसमें? The Danish settlements failed to strengthen themselves in India, and they sold all their settlements in India to the British in 1845 and closed all their business. So just 4 point है इसमें. आए कब सबसे पहले लोग 1620 में. उसके बाद तमिलनाडु में उन लोगों का अपना सेटलमेंट बना. सेकेंड सेटलमेंट वाज इन बंगाल in 1676 and Serampore became the headquarters, and in 1845 they closed their business, sold everything to the Britishers in 1845 and they went away. ठीक है, इसका डेनमार्क ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी कहानी इतनी.